For years, the Pi network has been a topic of intense speculation, a project promising to bring cryptocurrency to the masses through simple, mobile-based mining. Millions of users, known as pioneers, have diligently tapped day after day, accumulating Pi coins with the hope that they would one day hold real-world value. Recently, a significant claim has emerged, generating both excitement and skepticism. The claim is this: the Pi wallet now functions like a personal ATM, allowing users to cash out. This video dives deep into the assertion, separating possibility from misunderstanding, and shows the proof. When someone claims you can get cash from a phone app, the first thing to ask for is proof. The primary evidence comes from the community itself, especially enclosed mainnet users. User-generated screenshots show P2P trades, Pi sent out, and stablecoins or bank transfers received. The Pi blockchain ledger adds credibility by confirming transfers between wallet addresses. This is not walking up to a bank ATM. The process is indirect and involves multiple services. Evidence shows users sending Pi to a third-party merchant or OTC service that agrees to buy it. That service sends stablecoins like USDT to a separate crypto wallet. From there, users move funds to a regulated exchange, convert to fiat, and withdraw to their bank. The chain works for some, but approach this with caution. The strongest proof comes from multiple independent sources corroborated by ledger entries. A capability exists, but it is unofficial, not universal, and carries risk. This is not about getting rich overnight. We will stay factual and clear. Let's get into it. Let's go. To see how a wallet could act like an ATM, we must understand what Pi is. Pi launched in 2019 to make crypto accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin's energy-heavy mining, Pi is mined on a smartphone. A massive social network of real users formed quickly. Pi moved from testnet to the current enclosed mainnet, live chain, closed ecosystem. Mainnet records real transactions, but it's enclosed. Transfers only between verified Pi users. This enables P2P utility and the first paths to liquidity, even if unofficial. Think of the Pi wallet as your digital bank account for Pi coins. After KYC, your mined balance migrates to your mainnet wallet. Your recovery phrase is the master key. Write it down and store it offline and safe. Like any crypto wallet, you have a public address, can view history, and send transactions. The activation of send-receive on mainnet is what sparked the ATM analogy. Pi's blockchain verifies and records transfers, the engine for the P2P economy. The wallet is a bridge from earned Pi to other assets through peer-to-peer exchange. Sellers send Pi, buyers return stablecoins or fiat through agreed channels. Important, these routes are community-driven, not official exchange listings. This unlocks early utility and kickstarts a microeconomy around Pi. Our goal is clarity over hype, a clear view of benefits and risks. With fundamentals set, let's see the step-by-step process. Here is how the so-called ATM flow works in practice. Calling the Pi wallet an ATM is a metaphor. This process is manual and indirect. It hinges on P2P steps with a trusted counterparty. Step 1. Complete KYC, migrate coins, ensure a spendable balance. Step 2. Find buyers via community forums, social groups, or P2P platforms. Step 3. Agree on a price and payment method, stablecoin or fiat. Step 4. Send Pi on-chain. Buyer confirms and sends your payment. Step 5. Move stablecoin to an exchange. Sell to fiat, then withdraw to your bank. Expect variable fees and processing times from minutes to a few business days. Now, a real-world user story circulating in the Pi community. Anna mined Pi for over 3 years. Patient, but skeptical. After KYC, her balance migrated to mainnet, just over 1,000 Pi. She joined trading groups, observed for days, noted rates, and identified reputable buyers. She agreed to sell 1,000 Pi for 50 USDT, a concrete, reviewed offer. She double-checked the address, sent 1,000 Pi, and saved a confirmation screenshot. Within minutes of buyer confirmation, 50 USDT appeared in her wallet. She deposited to a major exchange, sold to local currency, and withdrew to her bank. From finding a buyer to banked funds took about 2 days. She documented Pi transfer, USDT receipt, and bank deposit before posting her success. Anna's journey shows the multi-step ATM metaphor in action for some pioneers. So why does this development matter for the broader Pi ecosystem? For early users, this is the first chance to realize tangible value from Pi. Value exchange enables commerce, goods and services, not just cash outs. Transfers and trades boost activity, incentivize KYC and mainnet migration. A thriving internal economy signals to outsiders that Pi has real user demand. This is a bottom-up, user-driven market, a core tenet of decentralization. But the current P2P landscape is unregulated and risky. Some buyers vanish after receiving your Pi. On-chain transfers are irreversible. No official global price. Fragmented markets swing wildly. Selling now could feel wrong later. Holding could also go to zero. Never share your 12 or 24-word recovery phrase. Anyone asking is a scammer. Always double-check wallet addresses. One typo means permanent loss. Converting crypto to fiat is often taxable. Know local rules or consult a pro. A safe path forward. Education, security, tiny tests, and records. Study the app, white paper, and official updates. Separate facts from rumors. Complete KYC. Migrate coins, secure your seed offline, and enable available security features. When testing P2P, start incredibly small to limit potential loss. Prefer partners with public feedback. Keep detailed records of every step. The Pi wallet offers a user-driven path to liquidity. Unofficial and risky, but real for some. Be patient. Be educated. Be cautious. Secure your wallet. Test small. By moving carefully, you can explore turning mined Pi into money you can actually spend.